We're in the truck, kind of a field trip, but really it's a business trip. Camera work's going to be a lot better because I'm not doing it myself on this field trip, business trip. We're going to go take a look. We got one of our viewers gave us a call and said that she has a 1963 Land Commander that she would like to have rebuilt from the frame up. I think she said she hauled it from Montana or North Dakota, South Dakota, something like that, Wyoming, up in that area. I'll have to ask her again. But she hauled it back, so the running gear's got to be really good. And that's the first thing that we're going to look at. So there's a few things that we really want to look at before we can give any kind of idea or estimate. So the big things that we really want to look at is the skin good. Do all the windows, are they operational? Does the door operate as it should? Those are really the big ticket items, the things that when you start trying to redo, that can really run you into the money. So I think that if we could check those out and those are good, the rest of it really is just carpentry. And we know how to do that. That's the stuff we like to do. If that happens, then I think I can really save her some money. So we're heading over there right now. And once we get there, we'll go talk to her and then take a look at this 1963 Land Commander. All right, here it is. It's a 1964 Aristocrat Mainliner. It's a little bit different than we thought, but it's super cool. It's got glossy windows. We're going to need to do this, more glossy. We do have the window, so that's just covering that up for now. Lori told us, somebody backed it into a tree. So we're going to have to put some special care on that. Again, we got this window, we got this window, but we're pretty loose there. Something I haven't seen very much, look down here, on these Aristocrats, they put these on, in my opinion, upside down, but that's how they are. But when I rebuild it, I bet you I put it the other way. All right, we're gonna go in, we're gonna have to get door handle. As we go in, you can see that up here is a dinette. This thing is 7 feet wide, so it's a lot bigger than what we're used to working on, wider. So the dinette's going to be here. It's going to be a total rebuild on the dinette. All this plywood that's sitting here goes in the back, and we'll talk about that gaucho. So everything's coming out. Everything's coming out. But look at this window right here. Look at this window crank. How cool is this? That is, man, and it works. Every window in here works, but I think those details like that are just super cool. Now, we're going to replace everything. These early 60s paneling just doesn't do it for me. It's not going to do it for the customer either. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to keep the sink, and we're going to keep this, and we're going to build a platform here that we could put a little 2-burner induction stove maybe, or one of those kind of hot plate deals. Keep this, try to shine it up and maybe rewire it. Back here, that's where we gotta be careful. I almost fell through down here. So the whole floor's gotta come out and everything, but there's gonna be a gaucho bed, which means that during the day, you're gonna sit here and it's going to be a couch, and on the sides there'll be storage, and then the back folds down and the seat folds out, and then you'll have a bed. So that's the gaucho term of bed. Over here, I love these handles. My 68 Highlander, I think I did, had these. I think these are just real nice. Well, our ceiling's gotta come down. There we go. So I like this detail right here. So we may look at salvaging this closet area. Yeah, as you can see. So a little more storage. Storage is always at a premium, as you know. So we would do something like that. Okay, try to get this closed in, closed out. A lot of trim in here is nice as well. So we would reuse that trim. This trim will shine up. This will shine up. I think it's going to be real nice, and we try to reuse that. I'll even reuse these. I think I'll probably have to grind them down real good, shine them up, and maybe paint them. So we're going to see what the customer wants, and then we're going to give her a bid to see if we can't redo it. I really would like to redo this. I think it's a blank slate, and they're not married to anything other than really the sink, and then this backsplash is really all that they're married to. So we can make it real simple but real clean and real nice. So we're gonna go home and put some numbers together and see if we can't make a deal.